Tom Cruise is 62, running, jumping and doing insane stunts in Mission Impossible. How does he stay so fit, energetic and ageless? Could testosterone replacement therapy or TRT be part of the secret? Today we're diving into the science to find out. Welcome to TRT and Hormone Optimization, where we break down the science of staying at your peak. Hit that subscribe button for more. This is a speculative discussion for educational purposes. We have no evidence Tom Cruise uses TRT. Stick around to learn how TRT could play a role and comment below what's your take on Cruise's fitness. At 62, Cruise is still performing high-intensity stunts, maintaining lean muscle and looking decades younger. His Top Gun Maverick training included flying jets and intense workouts. Cruise has shared he trains daily, eats clean and prioritizes recovery. But could there be more to his vitality? Many of you ask how men over 50 stay in peak shape. Let's explore if TRT could explain this. Have you noticed Cruise's energy? Drop a comment with your thoughts below. Testosterone replacement therapy helps men with low testosterone regain energy, muscle mass and vitality. As men age, testosterone drops 1 to 2% per year after 30, impacting strength and recovery. TRT can boost lean muscle, improve stamina and aid recovery, qualities we see in Cruise's performances. Studies like those from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology 2020 show TRT increases muscle mass by 5 to 10% in older men after 6 months. We don't know if Cruise uses TRT, but his physique aligns with what TRT can achieve alongside diet and exercise. If you are curious about TRT, check out our playlist on hormone optimization. Cruise's lean muscle, low body fat and high energy suggest optimal testosterone levels. These are common in men on TRT, but also achievable naturally with elite training. Cruise's diet, rumored to be high protein and low carb, supports testosterone. His workouts, climbing, sprinting, weights, mimic what TRT patients are prescribed. Many men over 50, including some celebrities, explore TRT for anti-aging. It's a growing trend with 2.3 million US prescriptions in 2023. Cruise could simply have great genetics, discipline or other therapies like peptides. TRT isn't the only answer. What do you think explains Cruise's fitness? TRT, genetics or something else? Comment below. Whether or not Cruise uses TRT, hormone optimization can help men over 50 feel their best. It's about energy, strength and quality of life. Get your testosterone checked with a blood test. Normal levels are between 300 and 1000 nanograms per deciliter. If low, talk to a doctor about TRT, or he might want you to start by optimizing your lifestyle, diet, sleep and supplement with zinc. TRT isn't for everyone. You can learn much more about possible side effects in other videos on this channel. Always consult a specialist. Have you tested your testosterone? Share your experiences in the comments. So, could TRT explain Tom Cruise's fitness at 62? It's possible, but his discipline and lifestyle are undeniable. What's clear is that TRT can help many men age better, if done right. Smash that like button if you learned something. Subscribe for more TRT tips and check out our Facebook group for exclusive discussions. Watch our video on TRT mistakes next. Who's another celebrity you're curious about? Drop their name below and we might cover them next.